Okay, we're recording.
Hello, guys.
Everybody say hello.
Hello.
And here I am taking a short film to show a quick improvement that we did. Oh, where's the flashlight at?
Your new flashlight case.
Oh, look, it's all in the way. Quit. All right, here we go.
Quit. Go.
Who's vlogging your butt?
I was vlogging your butt. Oh yeah, checking her out. Don't be so shy. Oh, damn. Speaking of shave. So anyway, here's the, where'd that flashlight go?
You just got it.
I know. Adisyn, stop. Where's the flashlight at?
Under the flashlight
Did you
pocket.
God.
have it in your case?
Yeah, but didn't she grab it?
No.
No.
I didn't see her.
Yeah, it's just right here.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah. Come on, move.
Move, Adisyn.
Yeah, it was just for real. What'd you do with it?
Here's mine. You want to use mine?
No. I really don't.
Dad, come here.
Adisyn, did you take it?
I got it. Right here.
Lordy.
There you go. We are filming, by the way. Here, you can film.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, we're filming.
Hello, guys. This is my mommy. Here's me.
Okay, so are you gonna?
So now we're almost
Okay.
done with
So
this.
the whole floor caved in, and so I had to had some scrap wood, and this is one of the repairs we've done since we've been here. I put all that down and caulked it.
Yep.
Caulked it.
Come here, Adisyn.
Give me it. Give it here.
That's my dad.
Thank you. Okay. Here it is. Man, I should have just used the flashlight on the phone. This one was too bright.
Yeah.
Needed to be like back here, the new batteries in it. Okay. And then this.
Put some more lotion on, please.
Yeah.
Not a lot, please. Don't waste a bunch of lotion.
Okay, that's one of the repairs we did right there. Just getting it on film, just showing some of the stuff we've been doing here. All right, turn around, say cheese, say hi.
Cheese. Hi.
Love you.
Love you.
Where's Adisyn? Where'd she go? Baby, come here. What are you doing in here, huh? Here, say goodbye.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Go, my hand is.